when I started really getting into data quality, I think I've been working with data quality for about 8-9 years now. And when I first started, what I had to do was go line by line. Like if I had 1,000 responses, I would actually sit down and read those 1,000 responses, right? I would look at those open and say, no, this is not good, this is not good, this is not good. I would be throwing away 60, 70% of that data, right? And you can do that. But then what's gonna happen is you're gonna go back to your vendor and say, this is not good quality data, can we get this replaced? And it's just gonna be a vicious cycle, right? You're just gonna keep wasting time, and I never really got to that end result and said, I'm satisfied, right? So you can go through that pain, do the experiments, do the analysis yourself. But in the end, I found that when I use NewtonX, I don't have to do that anymore. I'm pretty confident in the data that I receive back from them because I've done those tests, right? I've done the experiments, I've done the analysis to know this is really good data.